Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today we are going to talk about common problems that almost every iPhone. So how can dark mode enables iPhone messages app? So step by step and follow them. Now we can see here's opens message app. Now we can see here's dark mode disabled. So how can enable dark mode messages on iPhone, iPad, iOS 26 updated? So first of all, open settings on your iPhone and after that scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Now tap it. Now then scroll down. Now we can see here's new appear on screen and then tap on per app settings. Now here's new appear on screens. Now show hidden apps and app as customizations app add. Now we can see it's no added is the app, so tap add app and all app here's and just you can add message app and back home screen again open message app and can see here's dark mode. Now here's dark mode disables and back home screen close page again open settings and then tap on accessibility. After that scroll down and tap on per app settings and then tap on messages. Now tap here increase contrast, tap on and back, scroll down and then tap on smart invert, tap on and back home screen again open app and check yes. Now we can see here's app dark mode enable. So if you have any problem, let me tell in the comments and like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.